If you're anything like me, you might watch a lot of videos on YouTube on TradingView indicators. All of these videos promise really good results using one or two indicators on a chart. Now, one thing you never see on these videos is indicators being used on live markets. Is there any indicators out there that do work on live markets? Because if there is, surely everyone would use these indicators, but that's not what you see in the videos. In all these types of videos, you always see back tests, but nobody live trading. So what I'm going to be doing in these videos is I am going to be using indicators on live markets so you can see exactly the kind of results that you can expect. And the reason I wanted to do this is so you don't waste time like I do, going over these indicators and actually not finding anything that works on live markets. So if you like these sorts of videos, don't forget to subscribe. So these are the indicators that we're going to be using. First one is the UT bots. Now I'm sure you would have seen a lot about this indicator on various YouTube videos. These are basically buy and sell signals. Now the strategy video that I've seen that I will be using says to change the key value to 2 and the ATR period to 1. And then we are also going to be using a simple moving average. Now with this, we need to set the length to 200, and the strategy is pretty straightforward. When we get a buy signal from the UT bot alert, if price is above the 200 SMA, we're going to take a buy position, whereas if we get a sell signal and price is below the 200 SMA, we're going to take a sell position. We're always going to go for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, and these are the pairs that we are going to be trading. I'm going to set an alert on each one of these pairs. Every time we get a signal, I'm going to go to the chart, I'm going to see if we are above or below the SMA. If we are below with a sell signal, we will sell 1 to 2 risk to reward, whereas if we get a buy signal and we are above the SMA, we will be taking a buy position, again 1 to 2 risk to reward. There will be no trade management. It's as simple as we are going for a 1 to 2 every single time. So I will be trading on a 100k demo account, and we will be risking 1% per trade. So we'll be trading this strategy all week, and we will see the results at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, it is Monday the 25th. We have just opened our first couple of trades here. First one is a sell position on gold. You can see we got the sell signal on the UT bots, and we are below the EMA. So we entered a sell. We are going for a 1 to 2, which happens to be where this previous low was. So this looks like an okay trade overall. Let's just see how we get on with this one. The other trade that we are in is a buy on USD JPY. So above the EMA, buy signal, we entered here. Again, going for a 1 to 2. Our 1 to 2 target is just slightly above these highs, so we might find a little bit of resistance here, but let's just see what happens. Stop loss is below this level, which is also the EMA. Been in these trades for about 10-15 minutes. You can see the profit that we're currently in, around $750 at the minute, but we'll see what happens with these two trades. I'll come back when I have more of an update. Okay, it is 7:50 p.m. Let's round up today and see how we got on. You can see the account balance down here at the bottom. We have done quite well. We are in a couple of positions as well, so we'll see how these ones get on. Obviously, the markets have slowed down a little bit now. We're moving into sort of the Asian session. But either way, we have made some good profit overall. These are the two positions you can see here. So we're in GJ and we're in GU, both short positions. So something to consider is not overexposing in one pair. So if we're in British pound, maybe we shouldn't take more positions in British pound. For instance, if we're in a sell on GJ and we're in a sell on GU, and then the British pound shows some weakness, potentially we could lose 2% as opposed to 1. But anyway, let's just ignore all that for now. And let's just take the trade as signals for the rest of the week. If we have a look at the account history, you can see the trades that we have taken here. First position on USD JPY was a loss. Then this position was the wrong lot size, so I had to redo that. And when I did redo that, that was a winning trade. Then we had another winner on gold. Then we had another winner on AUD USD. Then we had a loser on GU, another loser on Euro USD, and then a winner on USD CAD, and then another winner on AUD USD. So you can see the close profit that we've made is $5,544, with our open trades being around minus 350. So our account balance is up 5,000, so it's looking really good so far. But obviously this is just the first day. It's Monday today. I will keep trading throughout the week, and we'll see how we get on further on in the week. But if you have a look at some of the trades that we're taking, this was a trade on AUD USD. You can see that one, we got the sell signal, we were below the moving average, and we took our profit. And then we got another sell signal, again we're below the moving average, and we took profit on that one as well. This is the trade on Euro USD, so you can see above the moving average, got the buy signal, we entered that, got a 2-to-1, and then another entry here, buy signal above the moving average, but this one turned out to be a loss. And then on GJ, this is the trade that we are currently in, so you can see below the moving average, it is a big stop loss because this is the last swing high. So quite a big stop loss on this one. We did initially move into some nice profit on this, but have since come back and now just ranging a little bit. We'll see what happens over the Asia session, if we can close that trade or not. These are the two positions that we took on GU. So this first one here, so we did get, you can see we've just got another alert there, but we're out of the sessions now. But this one, we did break above the moving average, so we entered a buy position. Stop loss was below here, and then we came down and got stopped out of that one. And then pretty much immediately after that, we got our sell signal and we were below the moving average, so we have taken this. Again, moved into some nice profit. Probably would have got a 1-to-1 there, so we could have moved our stop loss to break even, and if we did, we would have been stopped out at break even. But like I've said, for now, I'm just going to go for the 1-to-2 all the time and not manage any trades. If this strategy looks profitable at the end of the week, then potentially we will be looking at risk management and not getting into too much exposure on one currency, managing trades and all those types of things. But we'll just have to see what the account is looking like at the end of the week. This is USD CAD, so this is the buy position that we got into. Above the moving average, took a buy position, 1-to-2. USD JPY, we took a buy, so above the moving average, buy signal, we took that, but then price came against us. And then gold, we took the sell position here, which did range a little bit, moved a bit sideways, but gave us 3 sell signals. We were below the moving average. Price actually came up and tested the moving average, and then it came down and we took profit there. So yeah, really good start. We'll see how we get on for the rest of the week. So I will be back tomorrow with another update. Okay, we are back. It is Tuesday morning. We've just got the first couple of valid setups now. I've been waiting since around 8 o'clock. First couple are here. So first one here is USD JPY. You can see we got the sell signal. We are below the moving average. So we took this and our 1-to-2 target is back down to these lows here. See prices come up, rejected here, come up, and then a lower high. So potentially this could work out as a good trade, but we will just see what happens with this one. Our other position is in GU, so it's a buy. You can see that signal there above the moving average. So we took the position and we are going for a 1-to-2 on this, around minus $170 in drawdown at the minute, but I will be back when I have more of an update. It is 1:27 p.m. You can see the account is actually going really well. So we're up $10,490. So if this was a 100k FTMO challenge, we actually would have passed this by now, because obviously I have been keeping an eye on the account and the drawdown hasn't been over 5%. So it wouldn't have blown the max daily, and then obviously we haven't got anywhere near 10% overall. So it's actually really surprising me of how well this is going. So I just wanted to show you this trade here that we got stopped out on Euro USD. This should have been a winner. So you can see we had a buy signal here. We entered this. We did put our profit target at 1-to-2, but I don't know if it's spreads or whatever. I mean, it's a paper trading account, so I really don't know why we weren't triggered out of this trade when we did get our 1-to-2. But for some reason we weren't, so we didn't get triggered out on this wick. Price came up again, and for some reason we still didn't get triggered out. And then price comes all the way down and stops us out. So that technically should have been a winning trade as well. I mean, if I was to use these signals on a live account or FTMO challenge or anything like that, I would be watching it a lot more closely. I mean, I am still trying to work and do other things, but if we have a look at some of the other trades that I've closed, we've actually done really well. So this trade here on GJ was a winner. Then we had another winner on GU, another winner on USD JPY. We had a loss on AUD USD, another loss on USD CAD, a winner on GU, and then that loss on Euro USD, which, like I say, should have really been a winner, but it wasn't, so we can't say that it was. But yeah, overall, really impressed so far. I know it's only Tuesday. I will keep trading as normal, keep taking the signals as they come up, and we'll see where we're at further down the line. But yeah, just wanted to give you a quick update on the account so far. Okay, a quick end of the day update. We have had some losses, which has wiped out some of the profit that we have made. You see all of the account history here, so we have had a number of losses now in a row, which is a shame. Things were going quite well, and at the end of the day, we are up 2,500 on the account anyway. So overall, we're up, so we can't complain about that. We were obviously up 10,000 earlier on in the day, and since this string of losses we have wiped out that profit. But again, profit is profit, and we are up $2,500 so far. Today is Tuesday. I'm going to continue to keep trading for the rest of the week, so I will be back tomorrow with another update. Okay, a quick update on the account. It is Wednesday the 27th of November and it is 10 past 10. You can see we are into some positions here. We have made some of that profit back that we lost yesterday afternoon. We are up $6,692 and we're floating around 2,000 in profit as well. These are the trades that we are in. So we're in a sell position on GJ. You can see we're well below the moving average. Got our sell signal. We took that, nearly hit our take profit here, but price has wicked up and come against us slightly. But either way, we are going for our $2,000 on that, so we'll just hold on to that trade. USD CAD, we are still in this position. This is one from last night, so below the moving average. We got a sell signal there, I think it was. We were triggered in, and then we have just been sat in that trade since. Now the UT bot has just given us another sell alert here. We could have had a much tighter stop loss and probably a better trade, but either way, we're going to hold on to that one, see what we can do. USD JPY, we are in a sell position as well, so you can see well below the moving average. Price gave us a sell signal and we are going for a 1 to 2 target there, so all good. I'll be back later on with another update. Quick update on the account. It is 20 to 7. So this is what we're looking like now. We have got some of that account balance back, which is great. You can see the realized profit and loss here is now at 8.5k and we are floating in $754 profit. So to be honest with you, I am really quite impressed so far with this indicator. I mean, we're only 3 days in. Obviously this isn't enough data, but I am going to do this over the long haul, I would have thought. Potentially next week I'm going to try some new indicators, but if you guys like this one, I might actually potentially stick to this indicator, see if we can get some more results out of it. Just because I'm not always someone who potentially believes in indicators, but with results like this, I mean, we've made 8.5k this week. You know, you can't really argue with that. We've not really got into a crazy amount of drawdown. We tend to just get stopped out of trades. We don't get into that much overall. We just hit our stop loss and we move on. So yeah, I'm really quite impressed with this so far. Like I say, 3 days in, we don't know what the rest of the week may bring, but these are the trades that we took today. So we took a winner on gold, we took a loser on GJ, we took a winner on Euro USD, a winner on USD JPY, and a loser on gold. And we are still in a sell on USD CAD. Yeah, this one is, how big's the stop loss? 38 pips. Yeah, this one might be sat in for a while. Again, if I was doing this on a live account, FTMO challenge, those types of things, I probably would close this now. I probably manage to trade a little bit better. And with this, literally all I've been doing is following the signals. Every single time I get a signal, doesn't matter what pair it is, doesn't matter how close we are to news, none of those things matters. I take a buy when it says buy, I take a sell when it says sell, and that is it. I don't manage to trade at all. So potentially something to think about here. Either way, good day today. I will be back tomorrow with another update. Okay, a quick update on the account. You can see things did not go well yesterday afternoon and then this morning, and we have wiped out all of the profit that we've made. We are now in a loss on the account overall. So these are a couple of the trades that we took this morning. We took a buy here and you can see prices came against us. AUD USD, same again on Euro USD. I think overall it was a good start to the week. We made some really good profit. You know, if it was on a live account, you could take some of that profit away then. So overall, I mean, yes, the account is in a loss, but I think we did make some good profit initially. But then you can see the previous trades that we've taken, they have all been losses, and all those losses wiped out the profit that we made. I think overall we definitely lost more than we won, even with us going for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So yeah, I mean, it's something to think about. The reason I want to do these videos is because if you're anything like me, you would have seen a lot of different indicator videos, and they always look good, you know, the back test, those types of things. But when you actually use them on the live markets, the story's a lot different. So I will be making more videos like this. If you like this type of video, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.